I came to refine my knowledge on resumes. I already have one, but I figured it wouldn't hurt to do it again.
In this market, it's so competitive right now that if the resume doesn't explicitly say what your qualifications are, including your knowledge, skills, and abilities, you're not going to get a call for that interview.
I realized that you need to stand out from everyone else, and a resume is the thing that's going to get you in that door to get the interview.
I learned about making sure that everything is in the proper chronological order, listing skills and accomplishments, and the accomplishments are very important for each job that you've had.
I learned not to write in the first person and how to further emphasize the skills I've learned in my current regular jobs, retail jobs, and to make them more appealing to future employers.
Some of the worst mistakes that we can make is misrepresentation of themselves in the resume, exaggerating some of the tasks and duties that they had performed, misrepresentation of GPA. You're not going to get that job.
I learned to put that I was on Dean's List on my resume. I wasn't sure if that was important enough or not.
I actually realized that my resume might be headed in the right direction. Of course, I still have to refine it and change a few things around, but I'm a little bit more confident now that I'm on the right track at least.
I plan on coming back here again as I actually start writing my resume to get it critiqued and evaluated so that when I get out there I have a fighting chance.
Things have started to look a little bit better for the students at this point, so we're very hopeful for this particular graduation class to have jobs.